we were working having each other's arms taking each other's shoulder like this. But in reality, to move together, we don't need that. Observe, let's do an experiment. To explain it in few words, you have to have the intention to communicate to your partner the displacement. If instead of doing tango we were doing martial art, I will do this. So I am not telling her that I am moving. So keep in mind that you can communicate, you don't really need the arms. They communicate many things, our arms, but the walking itself, if we are just paying attention to each other, it should work. Just explaining it fast, because we could write a complete 800 pages book on this thing. What will help you is, in the beginning, make the change of weight. Because I am going to go forward, my change of weight that we can call 1 is to my right foot. That makes her put her weight on her leg. That's our 1. And then when I start to walk, it's my left, which is free of weight, and naturally her right is free of weight. There is this saying that ladies are always right. So that's why we make in tango, the lady start with right. Okay, so change weight, make that clear that you change weight and walk. Now one more thing we can add, when you make the change of weight, and you can do several change of weight. Tango, tango, tango. Tango, 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 tango. Use that cadence to stay connected to your partner. That pause every once in a while help you to synchronize your steps.
Also, he is the leader, I am the follower in this scenario. Part of being a follower means that I'm listening to the music and I am listening to my partner. I am following. I am not getting ahead of the music, ahead of my partner. So he moves and then I move.
Should we try one more time?